Hey friends, thank you so much for joining me again on my channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and whilst you're there, hit that little bell that you see down there so that every single time that I upload a video, you get a notification, and that is every Thursday. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the champions in my home, and that is, drumroll please, bicarbonate soda, and in other places it's called baking soda. I use this on just about anything because one, there are no toxins in here. So having little guys running around and eating from the floor, sometimes you kind of want your space clean, but you don't want toxins. I do use other stuff in the house, but this is primary what I use in anything. I mean, even on stains, like if they're hard stains, I use bicarbonate soda. But I'm going to tell you the top 5 cleaning hacks or tips, if you may like to call it, that I use with bicarbonate soda. So let's get right into the video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment if you have any questions or any comments thereof. We use a glass top stove and it catches on grime and grease so easily, and it shows like a sore thumb. So I make a paste using bicarbonate soda, rubbing alcohol and old vinegar, and that works so well because it doesn't scratch the surface and it comes out looking shiny, and I'll show you just now. Like I said, I'm making the little paste there, rubbing it all over. Sometimes I mix it on the side and then just pour the paste all along the stove on the plates or the designated areas that I need. But here, just to show you guys how I do it, I just spray on the solution on top of my bicarbonate soda, and the reaction begins, and I let it sit there for a couple of minutes, and then I come back and do some scrubbing. You might need to put in a little bit of effort to scratch in there, just depending on how dirty it is or how much the grease or oil is stuck. But believe me, it will not have scratches, and your stove will be looking good in no time, and you'll keep it that way for the longest time. So when the hard work is done, I just take a microfiber cloth and then I wipe all the bicarbonate soda off. And in those areas on the side of the stove where it's difficult to reach, or maybe where the bicarbonate soda can just get in, I take a little toothbrush and I get in there to get all the dirt that I cannot get to if I'm using a cloth or a sponge. As you can see right there, that's my friend right there. It gets into all the tight areas in the household. So I have toothbrushes all around the house for those hard to reach areas, and this is specific for the kitchen. And then after that, I use a glassware cloth just to buffer it and then give it that lasting shiny look and feel. Friends, I've done this ever since we got the glass top stove, and it has always worked. My number 2 favorite use of bicarbonate soda is to give my cutlery or silverware a new sparkle or a new life. I just put hot water and bicarbonate soda and a few drops of dishwashing liquid, and then I just let my silverware sit in there for a while, and then I'll come back and not even scrub. Like, I literally just almost wipe off the dirt, and they start sparkling again. Number 3 is to unclog and flush out grime in the drains or any buildup that you might have in your drains. I add vinegar to my bicarbonate soda, let it sit for a few minutes, and then run some very, very hot water, and we are good to go. I've been using this method since I was a little girl at my mother's house, and it has worked. I still stick by it, and it works. Number 4, I use bicarbonate soda on my carpets when I vacuum. That's once in a while, not every time, but it just helps to suck out any odors that you might have building up in the carpets, and it also just kills some bugs that you might get in there. So I add essential oil drops that I like. In the bedroom, I prefer to have lavender. I like the scent of lavender in the bedroom because it helps you relax and calm down. So I mix that together, and then I just go and spread it all over the bedroom. And then you wait for 15 minutes for it to just do the work in there, and then after that, take your vacuum cleaner, you vacuum it all off, and you're good to go. You can use the same method on your mattress. I use this every other month. I just take out all my linen and sprinkle some bicarbonate soda, mix that with my favorite essential oil for the bedroom, which is lavender, and vacuum that all the way after letting it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you can make your bed as usual. And you know what, by the time you go to sleep, it just smells so calming, and you know what, you feel good about yourself. It also helps to just kill those bed bugs. You don't want bed bugs in your bed. Number 5, I use bicarbonate soda to just eliminate odors in the fridge. I put bicarbonate soda and my favorite essential oils, and sometimes I actually just put on the side some vanilla essence. I love that combination. So the moment the bicarbonate soda sucks out all the bed odors, and then the scent of vanilla just, every time I open the fridge. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Keep the faith, have a routine, try to be clean as much as possible, be organized, and decorating will come easy after that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.